Hello friends, myself Sakshi Gajanan Raut. My topic is polarization of light guided by N.B. Bhagat sir. Contents: concept of polarization, types of polarization, that is linear polarization, circular polarization and elliptical polarization. Brewster law: polarization by scattering and application of polarization. Electromagnetic waves, electric field E and magnetic field B are perpendicular to each other in phase, also perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Unpolarized light contains large number of atoms producing waves with particular orientation of electric vector E. Resultant wave, unpolarized wave, superposition of waves vibrating in all possible directions. Polarization, transforming of unpolarized light into polarized light. Restriction of electric field vector E in a particular plane so that vibration occur in a single plane. Characteristics of transverse wave: longitudinal waves can't be polarized. Direction of their oscillation is along the direction of propagation. This is the diagram of polarization of light waves by the polarizer. Plane of vibration, plane including the direction of light propagation and the direction of electric field, is known as plane of polarization. Plane of vibration, the plane perpendicular to the plane of vibration, is known as plane of polarization. Types of polarization: first is linear polarization, that is linear polarization, it is a plane polarized light. Electric field vector oscillate along a straight line in one plane. Second is circular polarization, consists of two perpendicular plane electromagnetic waves with equal amplitude and 19-degree phase difference. Plane of oscillation rotates around the propagation axis, may be right circularly polarized or clockwise or left circularly polarized, that is counterclockwise. Third is elliptical polarization, consists of two perpendicular waves with unequal amplitude that differ in phase by 90 degree. The tip of the resultant electric field vector describe an ellipse in any fixed plane, intersecting and normal to the direction of propagation. Circular and linear polarization, it is the special cases of elliptical polarization. Brewster law: when light is incident at a polarizing angle, the tangent of polarizing angle refractive index of material, that is tan theta equal to mu. For Sapir, mu equal to 1.77. So theta equal to tan inverse 1.77 equal to 60.535 degree. If the angle of incidence is not exactly the Brewster's angle, the reflected ray will only be partially polarized. Polarization by scattering. Polarization also occurs when light is scattered. When light strikes the atom of material, electrons are set into vibration. Vibrating electron produce new electromagnetic waves radiated in all possible directions. Newly generated waves strike neighboring atom nearby counting process. Absorption plus re-emission is scattering of light. The polarization by scattering occur in an atmosphere leading to the blue sky. Light scattering of atom is unpolarized if the light keeps traveling in the same direction. Linearly polarized if it's scattered in a direction perpendicular to the path it was traveling. Somewhere between linearly polarized and unpolarized if it is scatters off at any angle. Thank you.